Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel alltechqueries, a YouTube channel where you will find solutions for all your technical queries. So in our previous videos and tutorials, we have taught you how to change the taskbar color, how to hide the taskbar, how to expand the taskbar, and how to move the taskbar. Okay, you will find all those videos links in the description. But today we are going to cover one more topic related to the taskbar, which is how to make the taskbar transparent. So before we start our video, please like our video and subscribe to our channel All Tech Queries. So let's begin. So to make your taskbar transparent, you need to go to the personalize option. So right click on your desktop and go to the personalize option, and here on the left side you will find several options. You will also find taskbar option, but it is not related to the taskbar. We need to go to the colors option. Okay, we need to go to the colors menu. So in our previous video we have shown that you can change the taskbar color by setting this option to custom. So if you click on it, you will find three more options. For making the taskbar transparent, you will click on the light option. Okay. Select the light option and enable this option, transparency effects, and your taskbar has become transparent. You cannot see it because my background is white. So I will also leave a link to how to change the desktop background in the description. Please check that as well. So for now, let me change the wallpaper and see if the transparency has taken effect. So I am setting this as desktop background. As you can see, the background is blue, so the taskbar has become transparent. That's why you can see the blue color. So let me show one more example. See, as you can see, the taskbar has become transparent now. So that's all for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful, and if it is, then please click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel All Tech Queries to get more informative and tech related how to tutorials. Thank you for watching.